This is high. Wow, is this ever high? I'm not used to this being like this. Alright, let's do this. Here we are, back on the Stark. We made it through all those freaking bugs. What a ton of mosquitoes. There we go. Big Grayling. Let's see if I can get him over there. Beautiful. Fuck, that's nice over there. Alright. Awesome. This is the service you could get. They have the jet boats now, so they can run up and down the river. They can take guests. The guides will take you up. You can fish for a few hours. Flat bottom boats, they're nice for being able to get up this river. Big pike just came and parked its butt right in front of me. I'm gonna see if I can nab this pike. He was pretty big. Yep, I got him. That's awesome. Get over here. There we go. Decent sized pike. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Stark River producing. down. Alright, we're gonna put this guy back. That was cool. Right on. I'll take that. It's been a slow night. That's funny. That Pike came and he parked his butt right in front of me. I made a quick change and I just kept tossing out over here. And second cast, he nailed that thing. Sweet. Good job. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get another. That's hilarious. That's probably why I'm not getting any grayling. All these pike have moved in. Okay. Come here, Mr. Pike. Oh, there you go. Thank you. What's this? Is this a grayling or a pike? Yeah, that's a pike. Pike are healthy in the river. That's good to see. Oh, he inhaled that thing. May or may not get this thing back. I guess I might not get this thing back. Ugh. I don't have jaw spreaders. This is gonna be fun. Well, that was a really good day. Wow, that was fun. We were up in the wild bread today, Dad and I, and we did fantastic. 60 fish day, 60 lake trout, pretty phenomenal. The goal was to make it all the way to Majestic, but the fishing was so good at the entrance of wild bread, we just decided to not leave. The winning ticket for me today was the tantrums. The 140 mils, the white ones with the red eyes, those things were just the absolute ticket. They were awesome. What a good time. Here at Frontier Lodge on the east arm of Great Slave Lake. And that pretty well wraps up another day. It's, again, close to midnight. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna have a shower, and I'm gonna call it a night. Because I am pooched, especially after being up there in the river. Getting into a couple grayling, and then things quieted down, and then I got into some pike. And that was fun. But yeah, this pike really killed the grayling action for me, and that was kind of my target going up there. So it was good to see the other guests up there, catching some grayling as well too. So yeah, on that note, I think I'll just leave it at that. So thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please hit the like, subscribe, and bell notifications. And I'll leave it at that for now. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow out on the water. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And don't forget, stay tuned and check out more with Frontier Fishing with Ryan MacDonald.